People sometimes ask me, what yoga should I do? I'm starting to begin yoga, or I've been doing yoga for a while, and maybe I should do some other kind of yoga. And so there's this whole mystery of the different styles of yoga you can do. So some yoga gives you a really good workout, create a sweat, very almost like exercise. Other styles of yoga are very meditative, a lot of breath work, some mantra, some chanting, using sound. Other types of yoga might be more just getting a good stretch, just getting more flexible, maybe strengthening your balance. All these types of yoga are available to us because there's so many different types of people and so many different types of yoga. But actually, there is one yoga that is probably the best yoga to do for you. And the answer is the yoga you should do, the yoga that's best for you, is the yoga that you will commit to doing every day. It's really not so much what yoga you do, or even the style of yoga you do, or even how good you are at doing yoga. The important thing is that you make a commitment to yourself to do this yoga on a daily basis. It's important. The daily basis is a critical nature of yoga practice, because what happens with yoga is that you set a new energy for yourself. You begin to align the chakras. You start to reset your intention for the day. You have a chance to process what's happened to you the previous day. This ability to take care of the body as it changes day to day. You're a different person every day. The cells change over time. You actually reinvent yourself with what you do with your life, your exercise, and your food, and even your thoughts are very actively creating a new sense of who you are, a new sense of self. Every day this goes on. And depending upon the quality of the day, you'll get a different outcome in your life. So the important thing about yoga is that you make it a daily practice. Every 24 hours, you do something that allows you to connect to yourself, that allows you to appreciate the body that you inhabit, that also permits you to explore what you need to do on a day-to-day basis. But my passion right now is helping people develop a daily yoga routine. That's what's going to make all the difference in your life and the world.